Hi guys, Coach speaking, the author of Forex Broker Killer. This is a demo account, automated demo account under MT4. So basically, if you're new, automatically this demo account is created for you whenever you install the MetaTrader 4 app. So this is part 2 of the video. Remember part 1, I've mentioned the event time, the pair and the points you need to use. So basically part 2, I'll be making only 2 examples on how to set the points on the pairs I've mentioned. So let's quickly go back to our calendar and see. Okay, Tuesday 12 o'clock, it's a speech. Now a speech, basically a speech, you only set your pending orders the moment the speech starts. How do you know that the speech starts? It's not because they said it starts at 12 o'clock on investing, then it means it's going to start at 12 o'clock. No, you'd find that the governor is still greeting people and all that. So the best way is to make sure that you stream the speech on channel 411 on your DSTV, which is Bloomberg channel. Sometimes or mostly YouTube channel Bloomberg as well. You can subscribe there. They mostly stream speeches there as well. And you start setting your orders the moment the speech itself starts, not the moment investing.com says the speech will start. I hope that's clear. And one thing with speeches is that after setting your orders, if they don't get triggered within a range of 15 minutes, then you can delete your orders. 15 to 30 minutes depending on your patience. Remember, speeches are not normal events, so they won't necessarily react on the first minute like any other event. That's why I don't like them that much, because to me they're actually costing me time. So I prefer a 1 minute thing, and then 1 million, then I'm in, and then 1 million I'm out, then that's it. So as much as I make it simple, trust me, it's hard getting to my level. You need to go through a lot. I've blown more than 1,000 accounts. I lost count. That's just the truth right there. But my reality show will reveal majority of the losses there. So without wasting time, 2 examples. 12 o'clock on Tuesday, it's gonna be GBP USD, as I've mentioned. It's gonna be M15 time frame. You look at the last candlestick. Remember, per event you set 2 orders, which is buy stop and sell stop. You look at the last candlestick, you can see it's going up. If it's white, it's going up. If it's black, it's going down. It's going up. I need to start with the opposite of up. The opposite of up, it's sell, and then the opposite of down, it's buy. Meaning that when it's going up, I'm gonna start with a sell stop order. When it's going down, I have to start with a buy stop order. So in this case, it's going up, I'm gonna start with a sell stop order. The moment the speech starts, I select sell stop. That's the first step. Second step, lot size, just keep it on 1.00 on your demo account. Do not use lot size 100. Only myself and few other students who listen are capable of using lot size 100. Basically, lot size 100 is for millionaires, honestly, not just any other trader who's still learning. Remember, in life we have levels. I traded a $10 account. I've traded $100. I've traded the $1,000 account. I've traded 10,000. I've traded 100,000, and then I've traded 1 million US dollar account. So it's all about levels. So you need to start small so that you can be able to see progress. As much as I motivate you, do not trade with anger to immediately get to my level. Trust me, where I am, it's almost humanly impossible, as sometimes I don't even understand how I got to where I am. However, not everyone might reach where I am, yes, I admit, but I believe, and I still believe, that everyone can get financial freedom throughout my teachings. So that's my purpose. So third step, it's price 0.00000 always. You press the plus symbol, the numbers after the full stop. Remember, sell stop you minus, buy stop you add. The numbers after the full stop, it's gonna be 28369 minus 300 points. On your calculator, whatever final amount you get, you put it here. So in this case, it's gonna be something like this, and then no stop loss, no take profit, no expiry. You just leave them as raw as they are, because new ones tend to make mistakes when it comes to that part. Now you can ask yourself, how do we apply risk management? Fundamentally speaking, only trade with the amount of money you're willing to lose. If you have 1,000 rands and you're not willing to lose 1,000 rands, you're willing to lose 200, never put 1,000, because Forex is not your friend. Only put in the amount of money you're willing to lose in a minute. That's what makes you stronger as a trader. Majority of you guys will give up because you trade with amount of money you're not willing to lose, hoping to make more. Remember, we are trading against our brokers, and brokers are in our groups. They actually know what I'm trying to teach you guys. They know everything. So the only thing which you can beat them is to split. Make sure that you use an underground broker. Use Google and find your own broker, and then stick to it, because us going to one broker, we're just gonna die. So it's best when you separate. So yeah, that's it. You place. Immediately after placing, you set your buy stop order. Remember, I started with sell stop. Same procedure, ne? This time you add 300. I've added 300 to 28369. Now the total is 28669, and then I place, and then I'm done. Within 15 minutes or 30 minutes of during the speech, and then my orders are not triggered, you're more than welcome to delete your orders and wait for the next event. It does not mean that you did anything wrong. And then if you do not have access to streaming the speech either, do not bother trading the speech, because if I was trading speeches mostly, I was gonna tell you that it has started, you can start setting. Unfortunately, I'm mostly busy. I don't have time for speeches. I only stick to CAD events in most cases. In most cases, I prefer Fridays CAD events, because I'm able to turn 100 into 500,000. That's what I do for a living. So last example, Fridays CAD event. Let me just quickly add CAD event. You open your chart. Now it won't allow me to use 150 points in this example. Mostly, I hope it will, because of the spread. The market is off right now. Do not be surprised when it does not allow me to place. Same procedure. The difference is that this one, which is a normal event, remember, normal events, I'm referring to any other event which I say you must use 150 points. So basically this one is gonna be 3 minutes before. Even the meeting minutes, it's 3 minutes before, by the way. This one is gonna be 3 minutes before, meaning that if it's at 2:30, 27 past 2, let me confirm the time. It's at 3:30. 27 past 3, last candlestick, it's going down. You start with buy stop. Same procedure, guys, nothing changes, and then you add 150. So right now I don't have access to a calculator. I hope this is correct. So confirm on your calculators, guys, ne? Just confirm on your calculators, because I don't have access. But you add 150 points, and then from there you are done. You don't need to do any other thing. You are done. And then 28 past 3, second order, you minus 150. You minus 150, and then it's gonna be something like this, and then you're done. Then you place. Then that's it. That's just 1 minute strategy on its own. So otherwise, thank you for your time. So normal events, if it does not trigger within a minute, delete both your orders. If it triggers one and then it's on a loss, delete the other one which did not trigger, and then it's up to you whether you wanna exit with that loss or you hold until you get profit. It's up to you right there, because I won't be there for each and every individual. I want you guys to develop a skill whereby you are able to make decisions within a short period of time, because trust me, I'm not gonna be in this industry forever. I have a life as well. I'm here to offer you guys my knowledge, my tools, and then you need to create financial freedom. That's my wish. So I think we are done for the week. All the best with the week ahead, and thank you for your time, and thank you for the love and support. Thank you, guys.